Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you one of the best legendary bike, Suzuki Max 100R. It has a unique design and a best riding bike. I think it is the best comfortable 100cc motorcycle. I want to talk about the specification. The model is 1999 model, and it has a single cylinder air cooled 98cc engine. I just many 100cc bikes. I just ride many 100cc bikes, but I still like this acceleration and pickup. It's just enormous. And I just replaced some parts: the meter, the side cover, and indicators, a number plate, a mudguard. A less, only the less parts I just replaced it. The rims, these are the stock rims. And I just rebuilt the engine just before 2 or 3 months, and it's a well conditioned bike. The bike just starts with a single kick, and this is the back look of the bike. The riding experience is just unbelievable. The pickup is best, and the top speed of 100, and the best and the fastest acceleration you can get in this bike. And it's 21 years old, and it still looks like a new bike. The side box is a old style side box. The silencer is a stock one. This is about my review of the Suzuki Max 100R. I think it is one of the best 100cc motorcycle in two-stroke, except RX100. You want to notice the exhaust sound of the Suzuki Max 100R? You can see it can start with a single kick. Now I can show the pickup and acceleration of this bike.